In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat, make video calls, and create groups in Gmail. Let's get started and we'll walk through each of the steps together. To begin, you'll want to open up Gmail and find the settings icon. This icon looks like a small gear and can be located at the top right corner of your Gmail page. Clicking on this brings up a drop down menu and it might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the options. But don't worry, we're focusing on making it simple. From this drop down menu you need to select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where a variety of options are displayed across different tabs. Among these sections you should click on Chat and Meet, which is typically found alongside other tabs like General and Labels. It might take a second to load, so hold tight. Now, under the Chat and Meet section you'll see several options. We need to focus on Google Chat. Selecting this option will enable Google Chat for your Gmail, integrating chat and video call features into your email interface. Once you've done this, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, which you can find at the bottom of the page. After clicking that, Gmail will refresh itself to display your new settings. With these settings adjusted, you're all set to start chatting. Head over to your Gmail sidebar where you'll notice the Chat option. Click on it and this will open up the chat window. To begin a new chat, you need to find and click on the New Chat button. After clicking, a search box appears where you can type in the email address of the person you want to chat with. Be sure you have the correct email. A small typo could send your message to the wrong person. When you've entered the email, click on Start Chat. This action opens a chat window with that person and you're all set to start your conversation. Not only does Google Chat allow messaging, but you can also initiate video calls quite easily. In the chat window, look for the video call icon. It should resemble a small video camera. Clicking this will ring the person you're chatting with and initiate a video call once they answer. So there you have it, a simple and efficient way to chat, make video calls, and maintain your social and professional connections directly from Gmail. This integration makes it easy to switch from emails to live chats, keeping your communication streamlined and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of Gmail's chat features.